Welcome, aspiring YouTube stars. If you're ready to transform your content and soar to viral stardom, stay tuned. Here are the top 6 ways to get 1 million views, and number 6 just may make you wet your pants. Number 1. The potato cam technique. Use a potato to record your video. Not only is it organic, it's environmentally friendly, and guarantees that vintage touch we all secretly yearn for. Because who needs 4K when you have 14K? As in 14 kinds of potato varieties. Researchers say viewers love the nostalgia of 2006 video quality. It brings them back to a simpler time, before buffering was just a thing of the past. Number 2. The niche audience strategy. Target a super niche audience. If you're aiming for humans, you're thinking too broadly. Go for garden gnomes, ceramic frogs, or toy dinosaurs. Besides, filming for an inanimate audience has its perks. They're not very critical, they don't request shout-outs, and while they might not click like, they'll never click dislike either. Number 3. Viral dance moves. It's time to invent the next viral dance. TikTok had the renegade, but you can pioneer the the dingle flop? Remember, the more ridiculous it looks, the more likely it's going to be a hit. And if you can't dance, even better. Remember the Macarena? Neither do we. But the point is, a unique dance move is your ticket to YouTube stardom. Number 4. Extreme unboxing. Move over tech gadgets. Extreme unboxing of mundane items is where it's at. The world doesn't need another phone review. They need the suspense of a serial unboxing. We just imagine the thrill of slowly revealing a raisin, or the climax of unveiling a salt packet from a fast food restaurant. The possibilities are endless. Number 5. Whispering wonders. ASMR is all the rage. But why stop at soft speaking or tapping? Create a niche with unpredictable volume changes in your video. The unpredictability keeps viewers on the edge of their seats. They'll stay hooked, waiting for the next whisper or sudden yell. A roller coaster for the ears. Now that leaves us the most important thing that will get you 1 million views. If you're already sweating at the idea of implementing these tips, hit that subscribe button, leave a like, and make a comment about your favorite type of potato. On to number 6. Clickbait confusion. Everyone loves a good mystery, right? Make your thumbnails and titles so intriguing, yet completely unrelated, that viewers simply can't resist clicking. It's the YouTube equivalent of expecting a blockbuster movie and getting an art film. They might be confused, but hey, they clicked, and that view is all yours. And there you have it, folks. The ultimate guide to racking up those views. Happy filming.